Hello, welcome again. We are solving general study paper 2 of year 2023 of civil services pre-examination, or we can say CSAT 23. So passage 3 is, in India a majority of farmers are marginal and small, less educated and possesses low adaptive capabilities to climate change, perhaps because of credit and other constraints. So one cannot expect autonomous adaptation to climate change. Even if it was possible, it would not be sufficient to offset losses from climate change. To deal with this, adaptation to climate change is paramount, along with a fast mitigation responses. Another solution is to have a planned and policy driven adoption, which would require the government to come up with policy recommendations. Perception is necessary prerequisite for adoption. Whether the farmers are adapting agricultural practices to climate change depends on whether they perceive it or not. However, this is not always enough for adoption. It is important how a farmer perceives the risk associated with climate change. Question number 3, based on this passage, which one of the following statements best reflects the most logical and rational message conveyed by author of the passage? Option A, adaptation to climate change and mitigation response are basically the responsibilities of the government. Option B, climate change should climate change cause a change in government policy regarding land use pattern in the country. Option C, risk perception of farmers are important for motivating them taking adaptation decisions. Option D, since mitigation is not possible, government should come up with policies for quick response to climate change. So answer is option C, perception of farmers are important for motivating them for taking adoption decision, because government is coming with adoption, and the farmer will agree uh, uh, when the risk associated with this climate change is perceived. Risk perception of farmers are important for uh, motivating them for taking adoption decision. Okay. However, this is not the last line. However, this is not always enough for adoption. It is important how a farmer receives the risk associated with the climate change. Okay. So government is coming with some adoption policies, but it is dependent on the farmer. So risk adoption of farmers are important for motivating them for taking adoption for decision. So that is your last line. So answer is option